Hello, and welcome back to English SpeakCast. I'm so glad you've decided to join me today. Here on the channel, our goal is to help you improve your English with slow, clear listening and speaking practice. We take our time with each topic so you can really hear every word and feel confident when you practice speaking. Today, we're going to talk about something very common. It's a topic that people all over the world talk about every single day. We are going to talk about the weather. You might wonder, why is the weather so important for English learners? Well, it is the perfect way to start a conversation. If you want to speak to someone new, or if there's a quiet moment, you can always talk about the weather. It is a safe, neutral, and friendly topic for absolutely everyone. In this video, we will learn, first, the most common questions and answers about the weather. Second, a lot of new vocabulary to describe all kinds of weather: sunny, rainy, cold, and more. Third, how to talk specifically about the temperature. Fourth, some interesting idioms that use weather words. And finally, we will practice everything together in a short conversation. Are you ready? Let's get started. Let's begin with the most important question. If you want to know about the weather right now, you can ask, what's the weather like today? Let's say that slowly together. What's the weather like today? One more time. What's the weather like today? Great! Another slightly shorter way to ask is, how's the weather? Let's try that one. How's the weather? Excellent. Now for some simple answers. The easiest way to answer is by using the phrase, it is, or the shorter version, it's. For example, if the sun is out, you can say, it's sunny. Listen and repeat after me. It's sunny. If there are clouds in the sky, you can say, it's cloudy. Let's practice. It's cloudy. If rain is coming down from the sky, you say, it's raining. Your turn to speak. It's raining. And if you feel the air moving strongly, you say, it's windy. Let's say it together. It's windy. Very good. Those are the basic answers. Now, let's learn more words so we can be more descriptive and detailed. Now, we'll expand our vocabulary. This will help you describe the weather with more detail and confidence. Let's begin with good weather. When the sun is shining brightly and there are no clouds, you can use a few different words. We already know the word sunny. Another excellent word is clear. A clear sky is a sky with no clouds. You can say, it's a clear day. Repeat after me. It's a clear day. You can also simply say, it's a beautiful day. This is very common when the weather is pleasant. Let's practice. It's a beautiful day. Perfect. Now, what about when the weather is not so nice? We learned the word cloudy, which means there are clouds in the sky. It's cloudy. If the entire sky is covered with a thick layer of clouds and you cannot see the sun at all, the word for this is overcast. Let's say that sentence. The sky is overcast. Sometimes this kind of dark, cloudy weather can make us feel a little bit sad or serious. In that case, we can describe the weather as gloomy. Try saying that. It's a gloomy day. Now, let's talk more about rain. We know the verb is raining, but there are different types of rain. If it is raining very, very lightly, we call it drizzling. A drizzle is very light rain. Practice. It's drizzling. Now, for the opposite. If it is raining extremely hard, we can say, it is pouring. Repeat after me. It's pouring outside. You might also hear the noun downpour. A downpour is a short period of very heavy rain. You can say, we were caught in a downpour. Let's try that sentence. We were caught in a downpour. Let's move on to how the weather feels to our bodies. Let's talk about temperature. First, cold weather. If the temperature is low, you say, it's cold. If it's just a little bit cold, a good word is chilly. Repeat after me, it's a bit chilly this morning. And if it is very, very cold, you can say, it's freezing. Let's say that together with some feeling. It's freezing. Now for hot weather. The most common word is, of course, hot. Example, it's hot today. If the temperature is nice, not too hot, but pleasantly high, you can say, it's warm. Let's practice that. It's a lovely warm afternoon. Sometimes, especially in hot weather, the air can feel very wet and heavy. This condition is called humid. Example, it's not just hot, it's very humid. Repeat, please. It's very humid. If it is extremely hot, so hot that it's uncomfortable, you can say it is scorching or boiling. These words express very strong heat. Let's practice. It's scorching today. And the other one, it's boiling today. Fantastic work! You're building a great weather vocabulary. Let's get more specific about temperature. To ask for the exact temperature, you can say, what's the temperature? Let's say that slowly. What's the temperature? When we answer, we use the word degrees. Now, it's important to know that there are two main scales. Most of the world uses Celsius. The United States and a few other countries use Fahrenheit. The symbol for Celsius is degrees C. The symbol for Fahrenheit is degrees F. So, you can answer like this. It's 25 degrees Celsius. Let's practice. It's 25 degrees Celsius. Or, if you are speaking to someone who uses Fahrenheit, it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's try that. It's 77 degrees Fahrenheit.
If you don't know the exact number, you can use words like about or around. For example, it's about 10 degrees. Or it's around 30 degrees. Let's practice. It's around 30 degrees. You are doing a wonderful job. Let's keep going and have some fun with idioms. English is full of idioms, which are expressions where the meaning isn't obvious from the individual words. Learning a few common idioms can make your English sound much more natural. Our first one is very famous. It's raining cats and dogs. Don't worry, this doesn't mean animals are falling from the sky. It's just a playful way of saying it's raining very heavily. It means it's pouring. So, if you see a downpour, you can exclaim, "Wow, it's raining cats and dogs." Let's say the idiom slowly. It's raining cats and dogs. Good. Our next idiom is to be under the weather. If someone says, "I'm feeling a bit under the weather today," it means they are feeling sick or not well. For example, "I don't think I can come to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather." Let's practice the phrase. I'm feeling under the weather. Our third idiom is a very positive one. Every cloud has a silver lining. This beautiful idiom means that in every difficult or bad situation, you can find something good or hopeful. The cloud is the bad situation, and the silver lining is the good part you find. For example, "I missed my bus, but I met an old friend while waiting for the next one." Every cloud has a silver lining. Let's say the idiom together. Every cloud has a silver lining. And one more happy idiom. To be on cloud nine. If you are on cloud nine, you are extremely happy and full of joy. For example, when he passed his exam, he was on cloud nine. Let's practice. He was on cloud nine. Idioms are fun, right? Now let's put all our new knowledge into practice with a conversation. Okay, it's time to bring everything together. We are going to listen to a short, slow conversation between two friends, Alex and Ben. First, just listen carefully. "Hi, Ben. How are you?" "Hi, Alex. I'm good, thanks. I'm just feeling a little under the weather today. A bit of a cold." "Oh, no. Sorry to hear that. Maybe it's this gloomy weather. It's so overcast today." "I know. What's the weather like on your side of town?" "Well, it was drizzling this morning, but now it's just very cloudy and chilly. What's the forecast for the weekend? I was hoping for a beautiful day."
I just checked. It's supposed to be much better. The forecast says it will be clear and sunny on Saturday. Oh, that's great news. I'll be on cloud nine if we get some sun. What's the temperature supposed to be? It's supposed to be around 20 degrees Celsius. Very pleasant and warm. Perfect. Well, get some rest and hopefully you'll feel better for the sunny weekend. Thanks, Alex. I will. Talk to you later. Did you understand it? They used many of our new words, like under the weather, gloomy, overcast, and drizzling. Now, let's do it again, but this time you will participate. It's speaking practice time. I will be Alex. I'll say Alex's lines. When it's Ben's turn, I will be quiet. You will see Ben's lines on the screen, and I want you to read them out loud. Are you ready? Let's try. Hi, Ben. How are you? Oh, no. Sorry to hear that. Maybe it's this gloomy weather. It's so overcast today. Well, it was drizzling this morning, but now it's just very cloudy and chilly. What's the forecast for the weekend? I was hoping for a beautiful day. Oh, that's great news. I'll be on cloud 9 if we get some sun. What's the temperature supposed to be? Perfect. Well, get some rest and hopefully you'll feel better for the sunny weekend. Excellent, excellent work. Practicing like this is one of the best ways to build your speaking confidence. Feel free to re-watch this part of the video and practice again anytime. Well, that brings us to the end of our lesson today on English SpeakCast. Let's do a quick review. We learned how to ask and answer basic questions about the weather. We learned many new words to describe sunny, cloudy, rainy, hot, and cold conditions. We learned how to talk about the temperature in degrees Celsius and Fahrenheit. And we even learned some fun weather idioms. You did a fantastic job today. Remember, learning any new language is a journey. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress. Now, it is your turn to practice one more time. Please go to the comments section below this video, and I want you to write a sentence and tell me, what's the weather like where you are today? Try to use some of the new vocabulary we learned in this lesson. I would be so happy to read your answers from all around the world. If you found this slow listening and speaking practice helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And of course, please subscribe to English SpeakCast and click the notification bell so you won't miss our next lesson together. Thank you so much for watching and for practicing with me. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.